Congratulations, you have settled your case. Here are some of the steps that are taken between a personal case settling and the client actually getting their check. First, the settlement agreement and release. Once the personal injury settles, both parties formalize the agreement in writing through a settlement agreement and release. This document outlines the terms of the settlement, including the amount to be paid, the release of liability, and any other conditions or requirements. Second, review and execution. The parties, along with their attorneys, review the settlement agreement and release to ensure it accurately reflects the terms agreed upon during negotiations. Once both parties are satisfied, they sign the document to make it legally binding. Third, processing and approval. After the settlement agreement is signed, it may need to go through various administrative processes, such as internal approval within the insurance companies or legal departments. This step ensures that all parties involved in the settlement process are in agreement. Fourth, to confirm any outstanding balances with medical providers, hospitals, and other entities involved in the client's medical care and treatment. The attorney will review medical bills and any liens placed against the settlement to identify the amounts owed. Fifth, negotiating liens and reductions. If there are liens against the settlement proceeds, such as health insurance liens or Medicare or Medicaid liens, the attorneys may negotiate with these parties to reduce the amount owed. The negotiation aims to maximize the client's portion of the settlement. Six, locating additional liens. The attorney will conduct a thorough search to locate any additional liens against the settlement, such as liens from healthcare providers, government agencies, or other third parties, such as child support. 7. Settlement check issuance. Once the settlement is approved and all outstanding balances and liens are confirmed, the at-fault party's insurance company or their attorney will issue a settlement check to the injured party's attorney. 8. Settlement funds distribution. Before the client receives their portion of the settlement, any outstanding liens or obligations related to the case must be addressed and paid. This includes any medical liens, outstanding medical bills, and other potential obligations. 9. Time for check-in clearance. After receiving the settlement check, it may take some time for the funds to clear, especially if the check is substantial. The attorney will advise the client on the expected time frame for check clearance. And lastly, distribution to the client. Once the settlement funds have cleared and all necessary deductions have been made, the attorney will disperse the client's portion of the settlement. The amount represents the client's compensation for the injuries and damages as outlined in the settlement agreement. The personal injury attorney plays a crucial role in ensuring that the settlement process is handled efficiently and that the client receives compensation after addressing all outstanding balances, liens, and obligations relating to the case.